Well, in the fight for control of the U.S. Senate, 2 states, Pennsylvania and Wisconsin, are pivotal. And in the final week, Democrats and Republicans are pouring millions of dollars into those campaigns. Capitol Hill correspondent Erik Rosales joins us with more of what is at stake.
Both Senate races will have a major role in what gets done in the new Congress come January. One thing's for sure, both sides agree. Republicans and Democrats say that this election will impact the future direction of the country.
It's crucial. I mean, if you want to literally save this country, if you want to unify and heal it, it's got to be us. It has to be we the people. We're not going to get helped by the bulk of the mainstream media. Obviously, the radical leftists that are the Democratic Party right now, they're destroying this country.
Senator Ron Johnson is running for a third term against the state's Lieutenant Governor, Democrat Mandela Barnes. New national polls show Johnson with a slight lead, but political analysts say the race is a toss-up. Meanwhile, the battle is on in Pennsylvania to replace retiring Republican Senator Pat Toomey. GOP candidate Mehmet Oz is pushing crime prevention in the final days of the campaign.
So I vow here and now that as a U.S. Senator, I'll do the right thing for our communities. Amongst them, I'm going to let police do their jobs. Just do your job.
And questions persist about the health of his opponent, Democrat John Fetterman, the state's lieutenant governor. He suffered a stroke in May, but he says his doctors have given him the thumbs up.
I just believe that we have our doctors just weigh in on that, and they believe that I'm fit to serve, and that's a point that was compatible made in June.
Recent polls have him in a dead heat. Democrats say the midterm elections are all about turnout, especially among young people.
That their standard of living is lower than their parents, can't afford housing, who have a passionate concern about racism and sexism and homophobia and xenophobia. I just want to make sure that they understand how terribly important this election is and see if we can get them out to vote.
Voter turnout will also play a major role in the House elections, where some political experts say that Republicans could win as many as a dozen or more seats, just like they did 2 years ago. At the Capitol, Erik Rosales, EWTN News Nightly.